In this video, we are going to look at how to use the internal email system or messaging system within Brightspace. Now note that this email system only works within Brightspace itself. It doesn't communicate with outside or other email services. Also note that you should get a notification to your student.publicboard.ca account when you receive a message in Brightspace, but you won't be able to reply to it there. You need to log into Brightspace in order to reply to any messages or just use the email service in general. So let's say that you wanted to email your teacher. What you would do is click on Collaborate and then Class List. And the easiest way to email them is just to find their name in Class List and click on it. When you click on their name, it pops up an email window or a message, compose new message window. So here we are going to email our teacher and we'll say hello. We'll say hello, Mr. Scott, and just a little message. So then we can click send, and that message will now get sent to our teacher, and it says sent successfully. So let's go back to the course home. And if we look here, it looks like we have a notification. So this is where we're going to get any emails or access the email tool. So if we click on it, the first thing we'll see is any new emails that have come in. And look, our teacher has now responded. So if we click on the message, or if we just click on that little envelope, it'll take us right into this email tool. So see, we can see our message here. In order to access it, we're just going to click on it, and it pops up another window with the message, which just says, "Hi, Jim, welcome to the class, and I look forward to working with you this semester, Mr. Scott." So if we wanted to message him back, we would just click reply, and it would open up another email window like we had before. So those are the basics of using the internal email system in Brightspace.